Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata showroom walk around. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata stands as a symbol of driving passion, blending timeless design with modern innovation. Its sleek, sculpted body reflects the artistry of motion, where every curve serves a purpose. Under the bright, ambient lighting of the luxurious showroom, its aerodynamic silhouette gleams, drawing attention to its refined elegance. The bold front grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, asserts a confident presence. The elongated hood and compact proportions stay true to the Miata's legendary roadster heritage, embodying the essence of pure driving joy. As you step closer, the meticulously crafted details come to life. The deep metallic paintwork enhances every contour, shifting shades under the showroom lights. Precision-cut alloy wheels complement the low-slung stance, reinforcing its agile nature. The side profile exudes sophistication with smooth, flowing lines that transition seamlessly from front to rear. The lightweight design ensures an optimal power-to-weight ratio, maintaining the Miata's reputation for nimble handling and exhilarating performance. The soft top roof, engineered for effortless operation, adds a sense of freedom, allowing drivers to experience open-air exhilaration at a moment's notice. The seamless integration of classic and contemporary elements makes the 2025 MX-5 Miata a true masterpiece, appealing to driving enthusiasts and admirers alike. Inside the showroom, the ambiance elevates the car's allure. Polished marble floors reflect the pristine beauty of the Miata, while carefully placed lighting accentuates its sculpted lines. A sophisticated display wall proudly showcases the name, 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, reinforcing its iconic status. The showroom exudes a sense of exclusivity, designed to match the premium craftsmanship of the vehicle. The cabin welcomes with an ergonomic, driver-focused layout. Premium materials and intuitive design create a harmonious blend of comfort and control. The seats, wrapped in high-quality leather, offer the perfect balance of support and luxury. A minimalist dashboard, accentuated with fine stitching and metallic trims, enhances the modern appeal. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data with crisp clarity, ensuring the driver stays connected to the road. At the center, a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system integrates seamlessly with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and entertainment features. Every detail, from the tactile feel of the controls to the strategic placement of buttons, is designed with the driver in mind. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, with mounted controls, offers a firm grip, enhancing the sense of engagement. The premium Bose audio system delivers an immersive sound experience, making every journey more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is powered by an advanced Skyactiv G engine, delivering an optimal balance of power and efficiency. The naturally aspirated engine revs eagerly, providing an exhilarating response with every press of the accelerator. The finely tuned chassis, combined with near-perfect weight distribution, ensures razor-sharp handling. The Miata remains true to its lightweight philosophy, offering a driving experience that feels connected, agile, and thrilling. The manual transmission option enhances driver involvement, allowing seamless shifts and precise control. The short-throw gearbox delivers satisfying engagement, making every gear change an experience in itself. For those preferring convenience, the automatic transmission provides smooth and responsive shifts, adapting to different driving styles effortlessly. On the road, the MX-5 Miata exhibits a harmonious blend of performance and comfort. The refined suspension absorbs road imperfections while maintaining a direct and communicative feel. The electric power-assisted steering responds with precision, ensuring confidence through every twist and turn. The limited slip differential enhances traction, delivering power to the wheels efficiently. Whether cruising through city streets or tackling winding roads, the Miata remains an extension of the driver's instincts. Safety and technology are seamlessly integrated to enhance the driving experience. Advanced driver assistance features, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, provide added confidence on every journey. The lightweight yet rigid chassis, constructed with high-strength materials, enhances crash safety without compromising agility. Every element of the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is designed to celebrate the joy of driving. The connection between man and machine is at the core of its philosophy, creating an experience that transcends transportation. The carefully engineered sound of the exhaust note, the precise response of the throttle, and the balance of the chassis all contribute to a sense of harmony between driver and car. Inside the showroom, the Miata stands as a testament to Mazda's unwavering dedication to driving purity. The luxurious setting, with its refined aesthetics and attention to detail, complements the car's exceptional craftsmanship. The illuminated display wall serves as a backdrop, emphasizing the heritage and evolution of this iconic roadster. As enthusiasts admire the car, conversations revolve around its legacy. The MX-5 Miata has consistently set the benchmark for lightweight sports cars, inspiring generations of drivers. Its timeless appeal, combined with cutting-edge technology, makes it a standout choice for those who seek an engaging and spirited driving experience. The allure of the Miata extends beyond its specifications, it's about the emotions it evokes. The feeling of the wind rushing past with the top down, the sensation of carving through corners with precision, and the pure joy of an unfiltered driving experience make it unique. It's a car that connects with its driver on a deeper level, turning every drive into a memorable journey. In a world of increasing automation and complexity, the 2025 MX-5 Miata remains refreshingly simple. It's a car that encourages the driver to be present, to feel every nuance of the road, and to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. The legacy of the Miata continues, evolving with modern advancements while preserving the essence of what makes it special. For those who step into the showroom, the Miata represents more than just a car, it's an invitation to experience driving in its purest form. The luxurious setting, with its warm lighting and premium ambiance, enhances the anticipation of sitting behind the wheel. The showroom is a gateway to an unforgettable driving experience, where passion and engineering excellence come together. The Mazda MX-5 Miata has always been about the connection between driver and machine. With each new iteration, it refines this connection, offering an experience that is both exhilarating and timeless. The 2025 model continues this tradition, embodying the spirit of open-top freedom and unfiltered driving pleasure. As the spotlight shines on the Miata in the showroom, it captures the imagination of all who admire it. The illuminated display name on the wall reinforces its identity, standing as a proud declaration of excellence. It's more than just a car, it's an icon, a masterpiece of engineering and design that continues to define what a lightweight sports car should be. For those who appreciate the art of driving, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata represents the perfect blend of heritage, innovation, and emotion. It's a car that stays true to its roots while embracing the future, ensuring that the joy of driving remains alive and well for generations to come. The showroom is not just a place to view a car, it's a place to witness a legacy built on passion, precision, and pure driving enjoyment. Whether it's the allure of its sleek exterior, the sophistication of its cabin, or the thrill of its performance, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata continues to captivate hearts. It's a reminder that driving is not just about getting from one place to another, it's about the experience, the connection, and the joy that comes with every journey. And as the Miata stands in the luxurious showroom, bathed in light, its presence speaks volumes. It's an icon reborn, ready to create new memories, inspire new adventures, and ignite the passion of driving enthusiasts around the world. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.